Great, so now that you have your 2D controls and 2D camera set up, it's time to add some coins, and we'll want to have the coins disappear when the player touches them. So first thing we'll need is to create a mesh for the coin. I'm just going to use one that's bundled with UDK, so go into View, Browser Windows, Content Browser, and I already have it selected here, Static Mesh. Just select Static Meshes here, and it's a static mesh named NodeBuddy underscore popup. You're free to use any mesh you want, but select a mesh, close the content browser, and let's just drop it somewhere. Now to make this easier, let's break this out into 4 viewports if you haven't already. And so this is the top view, and let me go up a little bit, and right click somewhere and select Add Interactor. An interactor is essentially an actor that can be controlled, whose position can be set manually, and it can be animated. I won't describe how to do animations because the 3D Buzz video tutorials describe that in great detail. Check the tutorials on using Matinee if you're interested in having the coin rotate or whatnot. Now, what we'll want to do with the coin is we'll want it to respond to touches, and we'll also want to make sure that it's on the same plane as the player, on the y equals 500 plane. So with the coin selected, hit F4 to open its properties, and let's look at under movement location. Yeah, it looks close. So this viewport, things should line up here. We've got 528, not quite 500, but it's good enough. And now let's scroll down to collision, and let's change its collision type to collide touch all. This way when the player touches it, it'll actually create some kind of send an event when it's touched by someone. Now let's go into Kismet and let's handle that event. So with the coin still selected, jump into Kismet and you'll see this blank canvas. Just right click anywhere, select new event. Actually, if you have the actor selected, you'll have these two options here. So we can create a new event using interactor and select touch. So what do we want to have happen when it's touched? Well, we want to destroy it, so let's create a new action, actor, destroy, and let's make this connection here. So when it's touched, we'll begin the destroy action. Great. So what is it destroying? Let's create a variable for our interactor. So let's select new object variable using interactor. This is just a Kismet variable representing our coin mesh. And let's make this connection. So when the interactor 1 is touched, it will destroy interactor 1. Looks good. Let's test it out. Close out of Kismet. Let's run it. I'm not quite sure which way. Oh, there's the coin. Yeah, got it picked up. Working well so far. Good.